Hello there, welcome back to Talk with Syed. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to it yet, then what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to receive updates about all the recent uploads. Many of us get scared when we hear the term exam. How much ever we prepare our best, but still we tend to get scared of. So, here I am with few useful tips to help you to prepare for the exams in the shortest time and the smartest way possible. Time is the king. Yes, you heard it right. Utilize your time wisely. We still have enough time to prepare ourselves. So start preparing for exams on time. Every subject and chapter you study it with the perspective of exams from now on. If you start at the right time, then there would be no rush or panic at the last moment. Check the syllabus. Please stay updated about the syllabus, the actual number of lessons that are included in your current syllabus. Take the help of your teachers to know the portions and plan accordingly. Increase the duration of the studies. Regularly, if you are studying for 2 hours, then increase it to 4 to 5 hours as the exam dates are closer. This time need not to be in a single slot. You can divide it into the 2 or 3 slots like morning, afternoon and evening. Yes, increase the duration and take breaks in between. Ensure that you also sleep for required hours but adjust the time to have enough time for studies. Plan your subjects wisely. Balance your time with your favorite and unfavorite subjects. Don't study your favorite ones and ignore the others. Likewise, balance your theory subjects and the practical ones. Practice maths every day. The more you work on, the better you become. So allocate your time accordingly and give a bit more time to the subjects that you feel are difficult. Revisit the concepts. Many of us study new lessons every day and then look at them only a day before the exam, thinking that we remember it all. No, my friends, revision is must. To ensure to recall whatever we have studied, it is important to revisit them in a timely manner. I hope you all will follow these steps and I am sure that this will help you for your exams. So that's for it today. If you find this helpful, please like and share. Thank you.